Peel off the foam seal because we'll be using that space. Put the heat pipe on to plan your layout. The heatsink is slightly higher than the fan, so the heat pipe needs to bend and make a downward step to accommodate the elevation difference. So mark where the heat pipe needs to tilt down and where it becomes horizontal again. Use a pair of tweezers to gently bend the heat pipe. Do not use your fingers because you could squash the heat pipe. Mark the heat pipe's path and put thermal paste along that path. Make sure you've gotten rid of all obstructions like this sticker. Press the heat pipe over the thermal paste. Put thermal glue along the edge of the heat pipe to secure it in place. I only put thermal glue along the heatsink portion of it because I saw that the heat pipe was already pressing firmly against the fan. But I recommend that you apply glue all around the heat pipe. The glue is harder to remove than the thermal paste, but you could still scrape it off if you ever need to. This is my buddy Nick's MateBook, by the way, and he forgot to buy a second heat pipe, so we only did one. But just repeat the same process for the second one. At the time of recording, I used electrical tape to seal along the fan's exhaust path, but you should use putty and thermal glue to seal it better, to reduce wind noise. Alright, now you're all done. Just put the bottom lid back on and enjoy your much faster laptop. There are some mods like the graphite sheets that Nick chose not to do, so refer to my blog post for the full details. Special thanks to Nick for providing his laptop for the videos.
Thank you, Nick.
Next, I'll be doing some stuff to the 2019 Razer Blade Stealth, so subscribe to see what happens. My name is Brad Ling, this is Brad's Hacks. Thanks for watching.